Rather good morning. I previously made this another smoking device here. I have another one. It is a 3-part. Previously, I made one with a wasp with a 4 type of selection, but this one is a different one. It's a one with a three parts. So it has three different flavors, but it only has 60,000 cycles. Where this one have like 100,000 cycles. So it says strawberry kiwi and then lemon lime, then watermelon. Okay, let's just quickly. Okay, now you know that you lift this up and you change it with different flavors. There's your USB port and your air input, and you're just gonna give it a twist, and then it opens here. Then you can see the inside here. Here's your 3 flavors. I guess you can must leave that inside there. You can just maybe then just take your stuff and fill it up, and then just close it again. Just make sure you close it on the right flavor. Maybe just mark it before you open it. Till the other thing comes out. There's your rubber. Go like this. I would just like to open here. You can see here's the elements. There's the wires for the elements, and there's your obviously your lithium battery. The stuff sits inside here. Let's just quickly try to open this. There's your display and your input of your USB. There's your lithium battery. It is what size is it? It's a 650 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt. And okay, now you can just put this back together again. You don't have to open this, just to show you. It goes back, and then you can put your the thing back. It's very nice how they make these things. Now you can just go and plug this back. To just switch off the light here. You can see I just want to make some vacuum here. Okay, I've got my pipe here. And switch out the light here. You can see there's your display. It gives you the, like the other ones, it gives you the how many percent of how full it is, and then how many percentage of your battery, and then as you select it, wherever the vacuum is caused, and then it will tell you that flavor, how full that flavor is. Just check look at your last logo. That's it. Okay, that's my story for the wasp. AVO, little monkey, and a 3-in-1. Very nice design. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.